Today, I'm heading to Bushwackers, where I'm going to meet up with Matt as he sets up the mixer and the scene for an event this weekend that is a Battle of the Bands event, which is going to be showcasing 5 different bands. If you've never had to run sound with multiple bands, it is a challenge. It can be real rough, but if you do some prep work, it goes a lot smoother. And there he is, the man with the plan. The mixer that he'll be setting up today will be the X32 full-size console. She's a little dusty, but she works great. You're probably wondering what my role will be, and normally I would be helping run monitors, because with 2 people you can handle the switchover a lot easier because there's a lot of people and a lot of questions. But we recently found out that Bushwackers is closing. This venue has been around for what seems like forever. It was definitely here when I moved here in the late 90s, and it was popular back then, and recently the whole area got renovated. One of my first gig day videos was of my actual band. Nobody watched it, but it was actually at this venue. And then, in a desire to learn more about sound, I started working with Matt off and on here. And then eventually that led to him hiring me to run the show by myself when he couldn't be here to run the bands. And like I said earlier, sometimes he would hire me on to work to run monitors or help with changeovers when we would do multiple band gigs. Along with the local acts, we also had national acts that came through where we'd be working together. It's kind of like being thrown to the wolves with a multi-band show. While it can be incredibly stressful, it can be a lot of fun too. We also did gigs for Bushwackers out in the granary. Sometimes we did crazy events like this bike week. Again, out here, I would be running monitors for the musicians as well as helping with all the changeover. I really cut my teeth on these events. I mean, look at all these amps. Holy smokes. Matt was running in the front of the house, but I still had to get all these musicians happy with their monitor mixes. Occasionally, I would be setting up a rig out here on my own, and it would have its own set of challenges. Like the time we had an act in and my CDL, the highs just started cutting out. How do you deal with that? Well, you do your best. I had gigs where I was both dying of heat and trying to beat the rain. And I barely made it out of there a few times. But there's even more sad news. Remember this video? I've done sound here a couple times. I was told that they were no longer doing bands here, but I guess they changed their mind and have started booking again. Literally a week later, they closed. Here's another venue that I used to go to do open mic, and I had a video that I shadowed a fellow friend who is a sound engineer. Well, this week I went to an open mic there, and it was their last open mic. They too closed. I'm sure everywhere is getting hit hard. Money's tighter than ever. People are actually drinking less, which is hurting bars more. So the future of bars is kind of hanging in the balance. I am so thankful that Matt gave me a chance to shadow him and become a better sound engineer here at Bushwackers. Some bands even asked us if they could take us on the road with them. I think that's about the best compliment you can get. Well, Bushwackers, it's been real, and honestly, it's been fun. But don't worry, I'm sure you'll see Matt and I doing other gigs around town, and I still do gigs with other bands. But if you want to see Matt's last show here at Bushwackers, stop on out this weekend. And a question for all you watching at home, how's your scene doing? Do you feel like the bars are closing more regularly than they were before? Or do you think this is just the natural ebbs and flow of the sound business and live music in general? I'd like to also give a special shout out to everybody who donated and downloaded my rig builder. I'm truly humbled by all of your support. As always, thank you so much for joining me in this video, and I'll see you at the next gig.